Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Hopefully today I'll be talking about the best internet package you didn't know that is available on Telecel. Yeah, so first of all, just get your phone and dial *520#. Yeah, so with this offer, that's the Made for Me offer, and they will provide you with the best internet package that you can get. So in here, depending on your SIM, you can get for instance, I'm getting 5 gig at 5.5 Ghana cedis for 24 hours, 1 gig for 2 cedis. It depends. Your offer can differ from that of mine, but at least you will get one of the best offers that you receive from any of the other networks here. So you just have to select your package, and that's it. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and give a thumbs up. See you on the other side.